Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can set up Google Analytics 4 on your Shopify store. So currently the process has become very easier because there is an official Google app on Shopify App Store and we just have to install the app. The process is very streamlined, and also if you want to enable the Google Ads or Google Shopping in the future, the process is again very streamlined in that app. So that app is one-stop solution for all your Google and YouTube problems, or you can say the requirements. So what you have to do, you just have to click on apps and then click on apps and sales channel setting. Remember, we are only concerned with the setup of Google Analytics 4 for this video. If you want to learn about Google Ads or something else, so this video is not specific for it. But just I will give you a little overview of it. But I will only focus on Google Analytics 4. So you have to open on Shopify App Store. Okay, once you click on Shopify App Store, you have to search for this app and you will easily find that app Google and YouTube. And make sure that it is the official app, the developer is Google Analytics. So don't install any fake app. Okay? So you just have to click on install. So once you click on install, it will take you to the welcome window. And then you have to click on install again. So once you click on installing the app, so this window will appear in front of you. Currently, it is showing me reconnect Google account, but before that, I just connected the account and the process was fine. If you are new to this app, if you have installed that for the first time, it will give you the option to connect the Google account, and you will follow the steps as it is listed on the screen. So I will reconnect the Google account, and you have to select the Google account for which you want to connect the Google Analytics. For example, I want to use this email, this Google account for the Google Analytics for my Shopify account, for my Shopify store. Okay, so I will select this account and choose an account to continue. So okay, it will just verify the account, and after it is done, it will show you this screen. Okay, get started with Google and YouTube. Just want to set up Google ad conversion measurement. This is not a topic for today. Looking only to set up Google Analytics 4. Yes, get started. So it will automatically connect your Google account. So I have currently connected gmitwa11@gmail.com with this app, and once you go down, it will show connect a Google Analytics property. Currently there is no property connected. You GA4 don't have access to a Google Analytics 4 property. To start, create a new GA4 property. So you have to click on create new property. Okay, make the switch to Google Analytics 4. Okay, we don't have to read all the stuff. We have to click on Analytics from here. We just have to go straight to Google Analytics. So get started today and sign into Analytics. So I will click on sign into Analytics. It will, if the account is not created, it will give me the option to create the account. Currently, I have already created the account for one of my other websites, but I will show you the process from scratch. As you can see, I have the Google Analytics open, and I already have the account, but I will create a new account for this one. If you don't see this window, you just have to follow the steps that create a new account. Don't click on create a new property because you don't have a Google Analytics account before. You have to create the Google Analytics account and then click on create. And after you have done the creation, click on create. You have to click on account. We want to create a new account for this store. If you want to use the same account but different property, you can do it also, but I want to create a new account for this store. Okay, you also have to create this account. Okay, so account details. So I will test Shopify store. If you're new to Google Analytics, just make sure to follow the steps that Google give you to create the account. So test Shopify store, and then yes, click on next. Then property creation, property details, test. So you can name anything. Test Shopify store, and then time zone is okay. Your currency is US dollars, fine. Click on next, and then business details. Give your business details. So our industry is like we'll give a dummy industry for now, autos and vehicles, and I have small business size. So click on next, and then choose your business objectives. Obviously we want to drive the sales. Just click on this one and click on create. So yes, I accept. It will create a new account and as well as a new property for you. Click on I accept, and then it will give you some options to check start data collection. Just select a platform. You have to select web only. Okay, so once you click on web only, you have to make sure that you enter your website URL, and I've already saved the URL. So just make sure to remove the HTTPS here, and then here. So test Shopify store. So the name could be anything. Okay, so just make sure to click on enhance measurement and create and continue. So data collection may take up to 48 hours to get started. Okay, so it has been connected, but we have to make sure that the integration is done correctly. So what we have to do, we have to go to again to our app. So we have to refresh so that the property is shown properly. So the property is not showing currently. I have already created the property and it should be shown here. So I've just refreshed the window and it is showing me again to get started. So don't worry, the process is already done. So you have click on get started. Google account is already connected. So it has automatically fetched the property. So you have to make sure that it has connected the to make sure the property is connected. Measurement ID is this one, CGDL and CG. Okay, the property is right. So this number was something else. So we will click on connect because the property is correct. And we will click on, it will take some time, a few seconds, and you have successfully set up Google Analytics 4. So the connection is 100% perfect. So it is done. We just So now I will go to Google Analytics to make sure that to double verify that the property is connected. Although it is showing us that it is successfully set up, we just want to double check the things. So just click on Google Analytics and then click on this one. And then if you see this error, don't worry. It's it is already connected. You just have to make sure click on View Tag Instructions and so sometimes the instructions take some time. So click on install manually, and then if you just test your website optional, so it is optional step, but as it is already done, so we'll make sure that yes, as the tick sign shows that with integration is done successfully, so we don't have to worry about this error. So this error doesn't matter because we have already tested and the test result is correct. So this is how you can connect the Google Analytics 4 with your Shopify account. I hope things are clear. This issue will be resolved within a few hours, so don't worry, we already have tested it. Okay, so again, if you want to enable the Google Merchant Center, if you want to run the Google ads, if you want to enable the Google shopping, you can click on get started and the process would be similar. But currently our focus is on Google Analytics 4 and it is already done. If you want to explore Google ads or Google shopping, you can do it yourself. The process is again streamlined, very simple. With the introduction of this app, there is no complexity now. So I hope the connection tutorial is successful to you and you will not face any issue for Google Analytics 4 specifically. Let me know if you feel any ambiguity or you feel any difficulty or any error. Just leave in the comments and I will get back to you and I will make sure to reply to every comment. Thank you very much.